Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to flip data in Excel horizontally or vertically or even diagonally. Okay, so let's get started. At first we will use a helper column to do this. Type in 1 and then copy the cell holding the control key to complete a series like this. Okay, now just right click and sort the data from largest to smallest and expand the selection while doing it. Okay, and the data is flipped vertically. Okay, so this is one way to do this. Now let's try the offset function. So here we will use this formula offset. Okay, press enter and then copy the formula down. Okay, so this is for flipping the data vertically. Now to flip them horizontally we'll use this formula instead. Okay, so this one, and then copy them to the right. Okay, so now to flip them diagonally, let's use this formula. So this one. Okay, and drag them down and then to the side, and we are done. Okay, so this is another way to flip the data horizontally or vertically or even diagonally. Now we will use the indexed function to get the same result but a bit efficiently. Okay, so the first formula should be something like this. Okay, so we're getting the result in a single formula. Now let's try to flip them horizontally. Okay, so the formula should be this one. Okay, and finally for diagonal flipping the formula should be something like this. So this one. Okay, now let's try the VBA method. So select the data first, then right click on the tab or go to the developer tab. Okay, now insert a new module and then use this code. Okay, so this part is for vertical flipping and this part is for horizontal flipping. Okay, you must save this file as a macro enabled workbook. Then let's say we want to use the buttons to run the code in, let's say, in the data tab. Okay, so after the sort and filter group, so right click on the data tab, customize the ribbon, then select sort and filter, new group, rename it to flip data. Okay, click OK, then find out the macros flip data horizontally. Okay, add, then just change it to horizontal. Okay, and then let's say use this icon and then vertical also. Okay, so this one or this one, click OK. After that you get the buttons in here. Okay, now let's see for horizontal flipping. Click on it and it is working just fine. For vertical one, click on it. Okay, now to do the diagonal flipping, just flip them horizontally and then again vertically. Okay, and you get the diagonal flipping. So that's it for this video. Hope you find this video useful. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.